Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Friday, and yesterday we heard a lot of rumors floating around that China was trying to either wash out Brazil's soybean cargoes or trying to shift some of those cargoes into the United States. Markets broke on that. Still, when we think about the key fundamentals at this point in time, it's still the March 31st stocks report and what the government says our supply is. Some people think that even if we import 60 million total bushels of beans, that'll be absorbed in the demand. So psychologically, it is a big issue for some of the machines, but it may not change the numbers that much. So we have a pretty wide trading range in the next 30 days in beans, depending upon, number one, how many beans actually move in, what the government says on March 31st. The Chinese crushers are going to have a big meeting in China over the weekend. They're going to discuss their overbought situation in South America and what they can do about it. Yesterday there was even some rumors floating around that they may not open as much as 25 cargoes of line of credits in Brazil, which means they wouldn't ship those beans. So that's another issue that the market has to trade on. Corn's down a penny, wheat's down 4 cents. Globally, rapeseed prices were lower, European wheat prices were lower. There was a little bit war of words between Russia and U.S. yesterday, and we'll see if the issues in Ukraine escalates. Right now, exports out of Ukraine are being shipped on time, but there is concern about the Ukraine banks giving farmers money to plant their crops. And if troops from Russia move into eastern Ukraine, then there could be more sanctions against Russia, and exports out of that area could be disrupted. So that's still something that we have to work on. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, NOAA yesterday came out and said that for the next 30 days they expect droughts to continue in parts of Texas and western Oklahoma, but the areas of Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota may actually improve, and temperatures are going to stay cool. But in the 11 to 15 day weather maps today, they actually start showing warmer temperatures after April 1 and quite a bit of rain for the southern plains and the western part of the Midwest. So if we're trading weather and the actual forecast that came out, that would be a little bit negative to prices and help our summer crops. Other than that, we're holding our breath for the March 31st report. Over the next 30 days, you could see as much as $1 to $2 range in beans, 50 to 70 cent range in corn, and $1 range in wheat, depending upon what the government says and what the weather is this spring. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.